Hello everyone! Today we will show you how to log in with Wondershare ID for Mac. With the trial version of Wondershare UniConverter 13, you'll have the following limitations. Click on the See Pricing button to remove all limitations, or purchase the plan by opening drop-down options at UniConverter 13 to select the purchase option. Click the Login button to log in and use UniConverter 13. View your account information with an email address, current plans, and several account options. 2. How to sign up for a new Wondershare ID account. Click the Create Account on the initial interface and create a new account. Thank you for watching our tutorial videos. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try Wondershare UniConverter for free. See you in the next video!